Hi students, welcome to yet another session on partial differential equations. In this video, I am going to discuss linear equations or of first order. In the previous video, we have learned about what is the definition of a partial differential equation and discussed about the order and degree of a partial differential equation, and also learned the thing is how to form a partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants. So, in this slide, I am going to discuss about a linear partial differential equation. How does it look like? It looks in the way PP plus QQ is equal to capital R. Here you have seen some functions capital P, capital Q and capital R, where P comma Q comma R are functions of x comma y comma z. And the other name for this linear partial differential equation, which is a common name, is called as Lagrange's equation. Also it has another name called quasi-linear equation. Why this particular equation is called a linear equation? Because here capital P comma capital Q comma capital R are independent of capital Z. Now we shall see how to solve this particular linear partial differential equation of first order. So what are the steps we have to follow? First of all, you have to form an auxiliary equation, or it is also called by another name called subsidiary equation. So how does the auxiliary equation look like? It looks like in the way dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r, preferably capital P, capital Q and capital R in the denominators. Afterwards, what we have to find? We have to find two solutions, and they should be independent of the subsidiary equation or auxiliary equation, and name the two solutions as u is equal to a and y is equal to b, where a comma b are constants. And the last step, it goes in this way: phi of u comma v equal to 0 or u is equal to phi of v. In either way you can write its general solution. Coming to partial differential equations, the general solution is also sometimes called as complete solution also. So there are two methods to solve a linear partial differential equation of first order. We go with the first method. What is its name? It goes by this name, method of grouping. See, in the name itself there is a clue for us. What is the clue? Here we have to group the terms and then we should proceed with the solution of the problem. So, what is the problem given here? Solve y square z whole divided by x into p plus xz into q equal to y square. First, to copy the given problem as usual in the first step. Afterwards, see, in the first term in denominator x is there, so please shift x to the other counterparts. So what is the final equation you are going to get? Y square zp, it is not r square, x square zq equal to y square x. And now name the quantities, that is p comma q comma r. So p holds for capital P holds for y square z, capital Q holds for x square z and capital R holds for y square x. So now form the auxiliary equations. So the auxiliary equations, what is the formula for auxiliary equation? dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. So substitute the values in place of p. Dx by y square z equal to dy by x square z equal to dz by y square x. Now, as stated before, here we must rearrange the fractions or regroup the fractions. So, how many fractions we have total here? 3 fractions, and here I am grouping the first 2 fractions. What are they? Dx by y square z equal to, here it goes, dx by y square z equal to dy by x square z. So, now cancel the terms in the denominator part. Here z is common, z is being cancelled. What are you left with finally? Dx by y square is equal to dy by z square. After that, you cross multiply the things. What do you obtain? X square dx is equal to y square dy. See here, we can adopt here what method? We can adopt here the variable separable method. That is, integral x square dx is equal to integral y square dy. So, apply the method integral x square dx is equal to integral y square dy. So, you have the respective counterparts. So, you can easily go with variable separable. So, what is the integral of x square dx? It is nothing but x cube by 3 minus y cube by 3 equal to c1. What is the formula applied here? Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In n place it is 2 here. So, we applied the formula. So, what did we obtain? X cube minus y cube equal to, I named a constant c1. Here you may get the doubt, here 3 is common, 3c1. You may get doubt like this. We can consider it as c1, no issue about it. Now again choosing the first and third fractions. So what are the first and third fractions? Here we have, they are dx by y square z equal to dz by y square x. Y square is a common term in both the terms. So we cancel on both the sides. So what are we left with finally? X dx is equal to z dz. So integrating both sides, what do we obtain finally? X square by 2 minus y square by 2 is equal to c2. And what is the final thing we obtained here? X square minus z square equal to c2. So how many independent solutions we have obtained here? We have obtained 2 independent solutions. One is x cube minus y cube is equal to c1, and the other one is x square minus z square is equal to c2. So what is the general rule of writing the solutions here? Here see, phi of c1 comma c2 is equal to phi of x cube minus y cube comma x square minus z square. So as simple as that, phi of x cube minus y cube comma x square minus z square equal to 0. So here we end the solution of the problem. So what are the basic steps you have to follow? First of all, you have to write in the stipulated format PP plus QQ is equal to R. Then you have to form the subsidiary equations. After forming the subsidiary equations, you have to regroup the fractions or rearrange the terms so that some common terms are there and they may get cancelled, and you may be easily to adopt that variable separable method, and you can easily go with the integration. After obtaining C1 and C2, just you write the complete solution and it will be very easy for you. Now we shall see another example. It goes in this way: solve x into y minus z into p plus y into z minus x into q equal to z into x minus y. So here, what is the first step we have to form? We have to form the subsidiary equations. What are they? Dx by x into y minus z equal to dy by y into z minus x equal to dz by z into x minus y. here we do not adopt or we do not follow the previous ideology. We go with a different idea. That is what we do here. Here consider only the denominators x into y minus z plus y into z minus x plus z into x minus y. By adding all these denominator counterparts, what do you get? You get 0. So we can write dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. After this step, we can directly integrate the above equation, and what is the final thing we obtain? X plus y plus z is equal to c1. In the similar way, equation 1 can be written as, see here in the first equation 1 what I have written, dx by x into y minus z is equal to dy by y into z minus x dz by z into x minus. I just drag x from the denominator and rearrange like this. In which way? Here it is shown, dx by x whole divided by y minus z equal to dy by y whole divided by z minus x equal to dz by z whole divided by x minus y. And when I add up the denominator counterparts y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y, what do you get? 0. So I will be ended up with the equation dx by x plus dy by y is plus dz by z is equal to 0. Next I go with the integration part, integral dx by x. So what is the formula for integral dx by x? It is nothing but log x plus log y plus log z. So here I am not taking c2, I am taking just log c2 to maintain the common counterparts. So log a plus log b plus log c is log abc. In the same way, log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log xyz is equal to log c2. So finally what can I conclude? xyz is equal to c2. So what is my general solution here? So my general solution or complete solution is phi of x plus y plus z, which is nothing but c1, and what is my c2 value? xyz equal to 0. So in this session I discussed two different problems in method of grouping. Hope you have understood much better in this session. If you have any queries regarding these problems or any other problem, please post me and comment me. Thank you students.